Hello again. Today I'll show you how to use the subtotal command in Excel. This data list here was obtained from Microsoft, though I've made a few modifications. We'll analyze the sales data by product name and supplier ID. First, we have to sort the data. Click anywhere in the table, go to the Data tab, click Sort. Ensure you check My Data Has Headers. Sort first by product name, add another level, sort by supplier ID. Both will be sorted alphabetically. Click OK. Our data is now sorted, so we'll go to the Data tab, click on Subtotals. The first drop down allows us to select the column we want to analyze, so we'll leave the product name. The next one allows us to choose the function, sum, and we have to identify the column we want to add the subtotal to, the units in stock and the total value, which has been checked already. Ensure that this box remains unchecked and summary below data is fine, so we click OK. Excel helps you to do the grouping and helps you to add the subtotal per category. So if you go to the second level of grouping, you are able to see it at a glance, and also the grand total has been included. We're not done. We need to analyze this by supplier ID. So we go back to data, subtotal, and we change this to supplier ID. We want the sum, and we also want the subtotals added to units in stock and total value. Ensure that replace current subtotals is unchecked, and we click OK. Now Excel has added an extra layer to this, which you can expand by clicking for, and here we have it by product and by supplier. Now, if you decide that you do not want the subtotals anymore, you go back to data, subtotal, and remove all. There you have it. Your data is right back where it was after it was sorted. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel. If you would like to download this workbook, the link is in the box below.